Did you ever know that your usage of plastics is responsible for approximately 60% of the world's pollution? Because plastic is non-biodegradable, it causes pollution in landfills and oceans, affecting animals as well. Considering the world's population of 7.53 billion people, roughly 600 million kilograms of plastic toothbrush waste are being produced every year. As carbon footprints are increasing year on year, we need to protect our future generation. Let's take responsibility. Every piece of plastic we use affects our environment and our close people. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth and is naturally antibacterial. Therefore, it makes a great renewable material for toothbrushes. Go green. Use bamboo brushes. Ditch plastics.